Let us learn now how to select a sentence and edit the text. Editing means what we have written or what we have typed, those things we can change. Either we can delete it or we can write in between the two letters, or we can change the color or the change the font size. All such types are called as editing text. Before doing any editing or changes, we have to first understand how to select it. Now we shall start selecting using the mouse. First, bring your mouse to the beginning of the sentence and click by your left button and keep on pressing the mouse. Drag the mouse to the right side. So the blue color cloud around the text shows that the text is selected. Then we can do any changes for this. So we can change the color. Let us change the color to red. Right. And click outside to come out of the selection. Let us learn how to select a single word, a line of text, multiple lines of text, or a paragraph. So first we shall understand how to select a single word in a sentence. To do that, move your mouse to the center of any of the word which you want to select continuously to 2 clicks. Quick 2 clicks, which makes the word to select. That is called double click. Double click on a word. Continuous 2 clicks is a double click on a word. It selects the word. Now selecting a line. Keep on clicking on the beginning of that particular line. Keep on pressing your mouse. Drag your mouse to the right side of the line. And then we get that line is selected. Release the mouse. Once again, click on the beginning of the line and keep on pressing your mouse button. Drag to your right side of it and release the mouse. So the line is selected. So when we want to select a continuous line of the two lines in a paragraph, how to do it? Click on the left side of the line. Keep on pressing your mouse. Drag your mouse down. Line by line, the lines are selected. Once again, click on the first line. Keep on pressing the mouse. Drag down and release your mouse. Now the 2 lines are selected. Now multiple lines, many lines to be selected. The same way, click on the beginning of the line. Keep on pressing your mouse button. Drag to how many lines you want to select and release the mouse. So if there are 2-3 paragraphs, one paragraph if you want to select, nothing much to be done. Keep on pressing your mouse. Click 3 times quickly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 times click. Quickly 3 times click on the paragraph 1, 2, 3. Then the paragraph is selected. To practice this, selecting the paragraph, line, word, and do the changes as you want to change the color or change the font style. Once the selection is done, any changes you can do easily. We shall learn now how the simple way of selecting. This is called the selection bar. Click one time to select the line. Click only one time to select a line. A line is different, a sentence is different. So, a sentence is from a capital letter to the full stop. So, how to select a sentence now? Just hold the control key on the keyboard and click on the sentence. Control key on the keyboard and click on the sentence. The sentence is selected. Now we shall see the double clicking. What will happen when you do double click on a side of the bar? So double click. You can see the entire paragraph is selected. Just a double click in a selection bar. Now we shall see another way. Triple click on the paragraph. 3 times click, we get the paragraph selected. Now we shall learn with the keyboard. With the keyboard, what are the simple selections of a character? Character means one single letter. To the left of the cursor, we shall hold down the shift key and the left arrow. Hold down the shift key and left arrow. A single letter is selected. Then the same way, hold down the shift key and press the right arrow. We get another right side of the character selected. One single letter is selected. Now we shall see the line, a single line, how to select with the shift and the up arrow and shift and the down arrow. Shift and down arrow. Up arrow, down arrow. It selects the upper line and the next the down arrow. Then now shift and home button. What does this shift and home button do? Now we shall learn about how to select the line using the keyboard. That is, hold down see that the cursor in the beginning, hold down the shift key and end button on the keyboard, END, end. So it's selected from the left side to right side of the line. The same way, when the cursor is in the end of the line, we can select by shift and home button. Keep on pressing the shift key. You can press the home button on the keyboard to select from the right side to the left side of the line. Next is using the shift, control and end button from the keyboard. Let us see what happens when we press the shift and control and end button. So we can see the entire paragraphs, how many paragraphs are there in the page. It is selected till the end of the page. Now the same way, when the cursor is in the end of the line, means the pages, press the shift, control and home button on the keyboard. So it started selecting from the bottom of the page till the beginning of the line. So the page, the first page, it may be the 100 pages or it may be the 2 pages. It starts selecting from the beginning, the end, starting from the end of it to the beginning of the line. Now, with the very simple thing to do the entire document selection with the only two keys. That is, press the control button on the keyboard and A button. We can see the entire document is selected with only two keys, control and A button. So children, you can learn how to do the selection using the keyboard shortcuts. Practice many times. Again and again, if you practice, it makes you easy to select the sentences, a single word, or it may be the entire paragraph, a particular paragraph, or the entire document easily. Practice makes perfect and easy. Type a paragraph what is given in the page number 85. In the lab, Lakshya is interested is the first sentence what I have typed in the document. You also type the paragraph and try all this keyboard shortcut to select.